My grandma, who's now 81, vowed and declared after she divorced my grandpa that she would never marry again. Pigs would fly when she remarried. When she was 50, she did. She remarried. As a wedding gift, one of her friends gave her this set of flying piggies. I love this set of flying piggies. I think they're hilarious. They are very 3D, unlike your Galahs, and they've just got a wire hanging out of the side of them to hold them up. So this one's the biggest one. They're not glazed, they're not sealed, they're not anything important. The smallest guy is missing an ear. The middle guy had one of his ears. No, his other ear fell off, but I glued it back on because, well, they need to have ears. So that's the missing ear, and that's the one I glued back on. But I have a matching set of flying pigs on the wall of my bedroom because why not? So yes, that's how my piggies are attached to the wall. I hope that helps with your Galahs.